the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? What's up, what's up? I did not meet, let's go first over here. Hi guys, doing? Welcome to Bitcoin Daily live stream every single day, 9:30 a.m. Central European time. How you guys doing? I see that, first thing first, I see that in the chat we got one new TI club member. Welcome, man. Enjoyed the green name and the emojis, you know. That said, how's everybody? How's everybody? I see Ron is in the chat, Ralph, Kes, Imak, Anik, Mei. Hi, man. Welcome to the TI fans club. Venus Pool. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? There are also other people here that are not TI fans club members, like David, Fatty, Light, Shiral is here. Who more is here? Tikilot, Alif. Alif, I think you are a tech analysis course member, right? On Patreon. Alif, maybe. Anyways, guys, welcome to the daily update on what's happening with Bitcoin. Anders, welcome from hello from Spain. How you doing, guys? How you doing? Okay, so we're gonna look at, of course, what's happening in Bitcoin. So let's get into the charts and remove this thing over here because it's no longer a TA special. So let's just get right into it because it's really boring what's happening. Like, it isn't dumping, so I'm wondering, like, why it's not dumping. Like, it was supposed to dump, everything was set up for the dump, and then you don't dump. So is it just waiting? You know, hard to say. First thing first, we go to the weekly chart and we gonna see what we don't want to see. Let me see these lines over here. I'm gonna remove the lines. I'm gonna do it on this one. Let's do it on this one over here. Yeah, it's fine. So let's go to the weekly time frame, remove some moving averages over here. And first thing first, we gotta talk what we don't want to happen, right? So we don't want to close below this level down here, right? And you guys understand why we don't want to close below 35,781, and that's because we get something called bearish engulfing candle. So this candle is a lot bigger than previous green candle, right? So this candle is a lot bigger than this candle over here, and that's a bearish sign. It's a bearish candle, so we do not want to close just because of the bearishness. We do not want to close below 35,781 because that wouldn't be nice. That wouldn't be nice closing below over here, below 35,781. So we don't want to go down there and close below this level over here. So we're gonna put this level down here just for reference and go to the daily time frame, and we'll see that on the daily. Let me see if we actually did that. We gotta zoom in or down here. We gotta zoom in real hard. Oh no, we didn't. We actually managed. Yesterday we managed to close above the this level up here. We did not break it. I know that right now we are breaking it, but we didn't break it yesterday. Okay, so there is this support line over here that we did not break, which is actually a very good sign. Still a very good sign here. Over here you see really nicely tightly that we did not break this line of support. Hold it. Right now we are down, but there is still 16 hours left for us to come back up here. And if you do that, technically speaking, we got low, higher low again, right? So technically speaking, it's still look optimistic and bullish. So we want to keep that. Going right now. So it's very good thing that we did not close below that level. Right now, this is the candle that's right now going on today, but still 16 hours left. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen over there. Are we gonna dump? Are we not gonna dump? What's in the books for us? But it's a good thing. It's a good thing right now that we did not fall through that level. Let's go to 4 hourly and see what's happening over here. And you can see here that on 4 hourly, we are not still yet dropping through these two resistance over here. And I'm thinking, like, once we do that, we're gonna have a big drop up here. But we never came to these levels down here. And let's see the moving averages, how they are. You see that clearly it is pushing us down. So how long can it be pushing us down over here? 4, 8, 12 hours. Maybe on Monday we start dropping. Maybe Monday is the new bloody Sunday. Maybe it's gonna be called bloody, So you know, 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles, 5 candles, you cannot break the 10 moving average, but it is hugging this 10 moving average. That's a good thing, guys. It is hugging the 10 moving average, and it's trying to break it, you know. So it's not that it's getting rejected, just falling down here. So I think this might actually be some kind of bottom right now. This might actually be some kind of bottom if we can manage to hold up this level. We'll see, like, but it just doesn't want to go down. It just doesn't want to go down. Let's see how this looks on the 1 hourly time frame. And you can see also on the 1 hour time frame that ever since we had this RSI divergence up here, there was RSI divergence. I can pop some lines over here, and you'll see that there is it. Between these 2 points over here, there is a RSI divergence, right? And then everything else is working as it intended, so there is no more divergence. But over here there was divergence, so we actually stopped over here and start going sideways. And this has been going since 18 June, you know, so almost 2 days ago we have been stuck in this sideways motion, like it's boring as you know what, and nothing's happening. Now, I've seen somebody, you know, mentioning some head and shoulders on the 1 hourly, so we're gonna say a quick word about that. It might play out, like I'm not saying it won't play out, but you know, it might play out. It's nice head and shoulders. Let's see if you can see it on 30 minutes nicely, maybe 5 minutes. 30 minutes is the best, I think. It doesn't connect all the way up here. Yeah, let's say it's something like this. Let's give it a ballpark area around, so everybody, you know, there is some kind of you know, head and shoulders over here if he just wants to, you know. There you go. Yeah, give or take. It's not a perfect head and shoulders. It's a 1 hourly head and shoulders, but you know, we take what we want to have. Now, if this does actually go to the upside up here, you're gonna get the head and shoulders pattern over here, inverted head and shoulders pattern nonetheless, and that should give us some kind of target up here at around what's that? 36.7 or something like that, give or take. How does 36.7 looks on daily? It looks a lot, very nice. It looks actually very nice on 36.7. It will get above certain levels up here, very nice. On the 4 hourly, yeah, it's fine. It's a good move if you can actually get that. It's a good move. So whether this is, you know, head and shoulders actually gonna play out or not, you know, it's hard to say. But it's 1 hour, like, what do I expect from that? What to expect from? But overall, it does seem that we are supposed to go down. But I don't think. I think the reason we are not going down further right now is because we got a little away from the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily. So I think either we are gonna go sideways over here and waiting for 10 and 20 moving average before we actually go down, or we're gonna go up and hit the 10 and 20 moving average and then continue going down. Yeah. So it's hard to say what's gonna happen, because technically, just looking by the 4 hour, you see that we are already getting pushed down, by the 10 moving average, and the 20 moving average is also coming back for us. 20 moving average is also coming back for us. The 10 moving average is coming down here, right? So maybe if we try to climb up here, we can get back to the 20 moving average, you know. But it looks like a sideways, you know, sideways movement happening right over here. So whether we are actually gonna do something today or not, it's kind of hard to tell. You know, yesterday we had a live stream around where was it? Around here, right? This was the live stream yesterday, give or take, over here, and you know, it looked like it's gonna dump. It looked like it's gonna dump down here, right? But you see, we went only down here. We didn't even break neither this nor this level of support, right? And we went back to try to retest the moving averages, got rejected on 20 moving, and right now going down, but we are not dropping down something crazy. So to me, everything looks like semi-bullish. It looks like we are holding some kind of support down here, right? And you know, it's hard to argue that this is just gonna drop down, because if it would, you know, if we wanted to drop very hard down, it would already have done that, I think. You know, Sunday and everything should go down, but it's not going down. So what's happening? Not quite sure. So what I'm guessing, like, what I'm thinking right now, this might actually just you know, go into some kind of a pattern over here, give or take, some kind of triangle, and getting ready to actually break out. But it's not quite there yet. but I think it's getting ready, you know. You must say that this is some kind of triangle, some kind of pennant, something is happening over here, right? It's waiting to actually break out. So if this is actually correct, then, you know, you got until tonight or something like that to actually break out. So whatever it breaks out, I think that's gonna be, you know, especially this line over here on the resistance line on the 1 hourly is very nice over here at the tops. You know, you got a lot of these hits on the top, and then you got these hits on the bottom down here. So it might actually be quite decent pennant over here that's forming right now. So whichever side is gonna break out, you know, that's gonna be dominant side. But you know, we've been talking yesterday on the live stream how all the alts are right now very bearish. They're looking like they're gonna drop any second now. But you know, as you can see, they you know, nothing is dropping. Everything is like either in green or in red, but 0 point something, right? So we're gonna see this 50 moving average might actually be the catalyst for the move. Once we get there, like either we're gonna drop down or get above it. If we get above it, you know, we can get some kind of pull to the upside, and then we're gonna see how it's gonna perform, you know, what kind of resistance is gonna hit. Especially I'm very interested if we go to the upside. I'll be looking especially on this 20 moving average here on the 4 hourly. To me, this is one of the most important lines. To me, the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly is one of the most important moving averages to follow. And if you can get back above that, like, it's gonna be very nice. It's gonna be very nice. And that said, for the Bitcoin analysis, how's the chat doing? Does the chat have any kind of questions? Can you look at XRP? Not right now. It's a Bitcoin daily, not XRP daily. I'm sorry, man. 4 hour hidden bullish divergence. Let's see that. Let's see that. 4 hour hidden bullish divergence. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. You see the hidden bullish divergence? I don't see it, man. It's regular divergence. Oh, okay, okay. Maybe. How much milk in the coffee? Important question. Yeah, I think it's a quarter of a cup. Quarter of a cup. Ron Adopter 749. Hi, man. Appreciate it. The rainbow. Yeah. Sunshine rainbows, man. Sunshine rainbows. We're gonna try to get there. Is BTC leverage token are safe in Binance? Is BTC leverage token are safe in Binance? I think Binance is Safu for a while. Hello, late adopter. Hi, Wahoo, Vincent. Hi, Vincent. How you doing? Honestly, with BTC driving the market, only makes sense to watch BTC right now. Milk in the coffee, unfollow. I don't know why you guys are complaining about milk in coffee. I mean, that's the best kind of coffee. I use too much. I use a lot of milk, a lot of sugar. You know, I might make my coffee like you're making like it for the babies and something like that. Another halving, a reputable, influential country adopting Bitcoin as legal tender with World Bank approval. More and more institutional investors. I don't think the World Bank is gonna approve it, you know, until, you know, a while in. But we're gonna see that. Unfortunately, 4 hourly hidden bullish divergence before the June 13 pump and the current lows. Okay, before the June 13. Yeah, I was talking about this on the Patreon. I don't think it plays out this way. The problem with this divergence is it's too big divergence. You know, you are. I've seen this, but I'm ignoring it on purpose. Because it's just too big. Usually these divergences, you need to look the two closest points, right? But it is divergence, guys. It is divergence. Technically, it is. I just don't think it's. I think it's you know, you have to go up to the daily and look at the 2 points over here, and over here there is nothing. Let's see if there's nothing. On the daily, yeah, there is on the daily there is nothing, right? And these are the 2 pivot points on the daily. But if you zoom on the 4 hourly, I think they're just too far behind, apart to actually, you know, be used as the same reason why you are not using this, you know, this thing or this, you know, point over here and this point over here and trying to find the difference between these two, right? The same reason you are not using these two. It's just what I'm thinking. Just what I'm thinking. The early adopter. I have honey in my coffee or the Merera sometimes. Yeah, it's why not. It's a little makes it a little sweet. Makes it sweet. So will it go lower? Can I buy my altcoins back yet or no? Well, we are thinking it might go lower, but it's showing kind of, you know, signs of bullishness. It's showing signs of like not going down right now. So, you know, we're gonna see. Does the P cycle indicate a bottom too? I don't know, man. You can go check it out and tell us back. But, you know, it might. If it indicates stop, probably it indicates some kind of bottom as well. Right? Because the 2 lines that are creating the P cycle indicator, you know, they cross at one point on top. So that means they get crossed at one point at the bottom as well. You think the Wyckoff people with the new techniques, everybody knows Wyckoff now, so they are changing the way up. No, I don't think Wyckoff is actually any kind of manipulation or anything like that. I think it's just human psychology that's actually been, you know, figured in the chart. Just like all the other patterns, like, you know, triangles, wedges, head and shoulders, you know, these things happen naturally by itself. It's no manipulation there. Morning, Chile. Showing both bullish and bearish signs. Lol, could go either way. Who knows? Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's like that, you know. It's easy to say when it's going up. It's easy to say when it's going up, but it starts going sideways, like it, you know. It's hard to say. On the weekly time frame, if this is to avoid like bearish signals on the weekly time frame, if you have to avoid bearish signal on the weekly time frame, we cannot, you know, what do I do? I just remove everything. On the weekly time frame, we do not want to fall below this level, right? Right now we are below this. In the weekly time frame, we want to close about 35,781. We gotta get above that level to not get this, you know, bearish engulfing candle. And that would mean like it's not much. You can see here we are right there right now. So we just need to get a little bit up here. And that's gonna be it. That means closing the day up there above 35,781. And on the daily, you know, that would be in green. That would be in green. Oh, look at it. We have a green. We have a green move to the upside. Let's see over here. 3 minutes left to the 4 hourly close, guys. 3 minutes left to 4. Are we expecting anything nice? This might be. Let's see if this is. This might be doji. Oh, we gotta get above the this level up here. So this is, let me explain to you something. So this is the these 3 candles is called morning star doji, big red candle, the doji, and you know, we don't have a green candle. So if this green candle, this is the start of the, you know, for 3 candles move, this is the bottom, and the middle part is this part over here. So you got a top, the bottom, and the middle part. Okay, so the thing is that to create this pattern, to create this morning doji star pattern over here, you have to have this green candle get above the 50% on the of the pattern, right? 50% of pattern. So this candle right now has to get in next 1 minute and 30 seconds has to get above 35,750 to actually do that. So, you know, we can see if it's gonna actually do that or not. It's getting pretty close. It's getting pretty close. So it's still 1 minute and 20. So we're gonna see what's up. Maybe watch this on the 1 minute chart. You can see it's going straight up for it. But there will not be some crazy commentary on this one because, yeah, it's not that exciting. It's not that exciting. It's going up. Zoom out. I zoomed out until the weekly, man, and we are getting some kind of pullback. Chip, you missed out. It was under pound around 4 AM. Is that a doji? Yeah, that was a doji, man. 41 seconds left, 40 seconds left. 1 minute live action. Yeah, it's not gonna be like live action, like 30 seconds left. It's not much happening. It's not actually, you know, it's too far from the line. It needs to pump real hard up above 35,750. I need ARA and that little 1 minute bullish. Yeah, 1 minute bullish pump. 1 hour dead cross. Any significance? None. Zero significance. 2 days ago you said this is the dip. What is this? It might be the dip. And there we go. There is no Morningstar Doji candle on the 4 hourly because this green candle did not get above 35,700. It's not big enough to actually create the pattern. It's not big enough to create the pattern. Unfortunately, it's not big enough to create the pattern. So, and it looks like we closed below the 10 moving average on the 4 hourly still. So we are technically still above the 4 hourly 10 moving average, but you can see here that we are hugging, like we are not giving up. Even over here we are still hugging, like we are not dropping down. So I think, you know, that we might actually break to the upside up here, like, and start going up over here. I don't know why. It just looked at a cold gut feeling, called something else. Like it just looked like that. You know, there's something in this lineup here, and there's something in this lineup here. So, you know, I think something's gonna happen in the next 4 to 8 hours, or, you know, give or take. Depends on how you draw this, but, you know, yeah, this is 4, this is 8, you know, next 4 to 8, yeah, 4 to 8 hours, something's gonna happen. You know, this pattern cannot go on forever. It's either go break to the upside over here or to the downside. Right now, I think there is a little chance that they might actually break to the upside, but you know, I don't want to call this. It's kind of hard to call this. Let's see on the daily. Let's see other indicators up here. It looks like gonna be bearish cross, you know, but it can just bounce. Daily, sorry, weekly, it might actually want to close it down there. 4 hourly, I don't know, it maybe might gonna go up. It's hard to call. It's really hard to call. But anyways, guys, watch this triangle up here. I think the triangle is important, you know. It's gonna, you know, it's both on the 4 hourly and 1 hourly time frame and stuff like that, right? It's a very nice triangle. Watch that. Whichever side you know it goes. If it goes down from here, you know, you can expect more, a little bit more dump. If it goes to the upside, you know, you can expect some kind of pullback, and then you gotta see from that pullback where it's gonna go after that. But right now, it's kind of hard to say. There is some Chinese text. I don't know if it's a Chinese guy, but hey man, thanks for the Chinese. Let's do the translation on this. Translate text from Chinese. Life is a big stage. Please don't be sad. Everything will get better. Thanks, man. Life is a big stage. Please don't be sad. Everything will get better. Thanks. Appreciate that, my Chinese friend. Appreciate it. 谢谢，谢谢。I'm hoping it stays boring like this entire day, building up base today and bullish when volume comes tomorrow. Maybe. Altcoin price almost the same as May 19 crash. Did he say anything more? This Chinese guy, man, this Chinese guy is... life is a big stage. We have many Chinese people, so soon the family mining mode will start. Family mining mode. Yeah, maybe. His name is sorry. His name is Life is a Big Stage. I get it. So it's really interesting to translate what the Chinese guy is saying. Hello, I'm from China. I'm so disappointed that mining is banned in our country. We're gonna speak with the Chinese guy. There are other Chinese. Yeah, there are other Chinese here. Let's see. You know, Chinese people are everywhere. A populous country, only. Thanks for being here. Enjoy your We love Chinese. Mine more, please. There you go. I don't know if this is correct or not, you know. It's something. I try. So you're having members only stream at 3 AM. He lives in Europe. He has the latest stream, but not on our weird times. Yeah, it's at 11 PM, like they're a little bit late, but you know, it's fine. But I know for some people that are not living in the zone, it might seem like a little bit off. But it was the only first time. I don't know how often I will do this member stream. Maybe once a month, maybe once a week. I don't know. It's probably gonna be like once a month or something like that. You know, just for the fun of it. It was nice. It was nice seeing all the entire chat in green names. You know, spam emojis. So that was nice. Anyways, guys, let's wrap it up right there. 30 minutes. Watch this triangle, guys. Watch this triangle, guys. The triangle, very important triangle. Watch this triangle. Whichever side it breaks, that's the dominant side. Watch the triangle, guys. Whichever side it breaks. Whichever side it breaks. You need not to translate Chinese. They know English, so they are listening to you. Yeah, I know that, but I wanted to do that just you know, be part of the post set. You know, be a little bit cool, you know. Ni hao ma? Ah, wo hen hao. Ah, xie xie. See, I can Chinese, man. I can few words of Chinese. It's fine. Okay, guys, that's it. Come back tonight to the live stream. I don't know when it's gonna be, right? But there will be live stream. So I'm gonna do something else in the meanwhile. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Thanks for looking at what's happening in Bitcoin on Bitcoin Daily every single day until 9:30 Central European Time. We are doing the Bitcoin Daily, so do come back in. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. See you around. Bye bye. Where's my stop button, guys?